I'm going to now talk to you about Theravent. Theravent is an EPAP, expiratory positive airway pressure therapy, which is used to combat snoring. There is Provent, which we use to cure sleep apnea, but this is for snoring alone. What we recommend is to actually do a sleep study, go through the process to rule out sleep apnea, and if it is just a snoring issue, this is a perfect product to knock it on the head. How it works, it basically sits on your nostrils. When you breathe in, you won't notice any difference, but when you breathe out, there is a back pressure which opens up the airway to allow you to breathe properly through the night, stopping all snoring from occurring. One convenient thing about Theravent, and the best thing about it I believe, is that you can fit a week's therapy in your top pocket. If you're interested in trying Theravent, simply click on the shopping cart below.